segment is sponsored in part by Simplified with Josh McBride.
Christmas just is not complete without stockings full of goodies.
Oh my gosh, lifestyle expert and apparently one of Santa's elves, Josh McBride, is back with some fun ideas to help fill those stockies.
Taller elf. Wait, did you, like, I'm sorry.
I thought you did this.
No, that's, please.
Chris Bordells, we love you.
We love that.
you. Before we get to the business of the business, scan that QR code on your screen so you can shop along with us. Josh, what have you done? What have you brought?
We've talked about this before. I love a functional stocking stuffer gift. Let's jump right into skincare. Introducing you to Olay's Super Serum. It's called Super. Here's why. A gorgeous iridescent purple becomes clear upon application on your face, indicating when the product is fully absorbed, so you know. I love that. Remember that old, I think sunscreen. Remember way back when sunscreen did that?
TBC.
This is much sexier, much more fun, helping improve skin texture, of course, evening skin tone, as well as firming the skin, smoothing those visible lines, giving you long-lasting hydration. Retailers nationwide on this one.
Thank you. We've also brought a beauty kit cut from skincare to makeup that is a perfect stocking stuffer.
Why not? I always feel like for the makeup lover, this is an easy one. Guys, I know you're both fans of this brand, Charlotte Tilbury.
How many times we gotta say it?
Hello, this is Charlotte's Superstar Glow Kit. Beauty light wands for cheekbones that glow. You've got a wand in Spotlight, you've got a wand in Pink Gas, and then you have the Charlotte's Pillow Talk Blush and Glow Kit. Mini Beauty Light Wand in Pillow Talk, Mini Matte Beauty Blush Wand in Pillow Talk, CharlotteTilbury.com. Also check out the Charlotte Tilbury app. They're doing some really cool stuff over there.
Well, look at that.
Hello.
I'm a gal on the go.
Yeah.
Travel me.
You are travel
we're
size.
We're talking makeup, so let's talk about, you know, making sure your
Taking
skin
it
is
off.
there. There it is. This is, let me introduce you to this one. This is a great one for a stocking stuffer. This is Garnier's Skin Active Travel Size Micellar Cleansing Water. America's #1 micellar cleansing water. You knew that. I know. This is awesome. One is sold every 2 seconds, if you can believe that. Capturing and lifting away dirt, everything to give you that refreshed skin feel and perfectly clean. In the set, you're going to get the all-in-one waterproof makeup remover and cleanser. Sensitive skin, the vitamin C one as well.
Thank you.
They're doing it all. Amazon, drug, mass retailers, Garnier USA as well.
Joshy, your stocking stuffers aren't just functional, they are delicious. What else you got for
Delicious.
us?
This one you're gonna have to maybe get a little wider, but you don't want to throw them in and just ruin the stocking. But you know, put this in my stocking. My stocking is larger. This is baked by Melissa.
Just put this right in my mouth.
Awesome.
Can I
Special
try
holiday cupcake assortments and limited edition gift box sets. These are awesome. They're really pretty also. They're shipping nationwide right now, and you can actually select the arrival date. You have flavors like white chocolate hot cocoa in here, vanilla fluff, caramel cookie batter, delicious. 2 holiday boxes right now. You see them right here. 2 holiday/Christmas boxes, I should say. Buy one, get one, 50% off, bakedbymelissa.com. Can't go wrong.
Never.
Can't go wrong.
All right, what do we, for the practical folks?
That's me. If you've seen me on an airplane, hello. This can't go anywhere without it, and I love it to go. This is Lysol disinfecting wipes and spray, but the to-go version. Hello, throw it in your backpack, your car. Obviously, this is great to prep the house, prep the space for this holiday season, but also great to clean up after the fun. Smaller sizes of course, your favorite products, proven to kill 99.9% of viruses and bacteria when used as directed, 8 cold and flu viruses and the COVID-19 virus.
Thank you.
Lysol.com. Isn't that?
This is adorable. That's Marisol size. We saw
awesome?
you modeling these in the tubes. What do you have for us next?
Yeah, this is a brand called I Buy Direct. This is their Bio Nylon collection, really an online retailer for high quality, chic glasses, an online destination for prescription eyewear, which is really...
I'm hot for a teacher.
Isn't that nice? Aren't these awesome? For prescription eyewear with style, convenience, and accessibility. Over 3,000 different styles of lenses here. 2 days to get your glasses, so put those orders in soon. This collection
is
actually,
light.
Isn't that great? I love that. There's their Bio Nylon collection, made from renewable, recyclable, bio-based materials. You're gonna go to iBuyDirect.com. I believe there's a code for that one also. EBD25 off. You're gonna get 25% off your $80 or more order.
Clothing.
Yeah, so check out the site.
I love a wardrobe ad. Thank you.
A wardrobe ad, gents, ladies, of course. Thursday boots, but not just Thursday boots anymore. Thursday boots, Thursday socks. New shirts that just came out. Feel the quality on these guys. Designed really for every day. I love that the name went from, it says Thursday, which I don't know if you know why, but it's because you're going to work on Thursday, but then you might go out after work.
Happy hour.
Everything is great from them because you're able to transition. ThursdayBoots.com, you can find the socks, which are really like fun socks too. Aren't those awesome?
These have Dan Manarino written all over them.
100%.
Hello.
And what do you have for the last but very not least? I see something that I like over there.
This is awesome. This is Holler and Glow Clay the Holidays Clay Face Mask gift set, keeping your face glowing throughout holiday season, long after New Year's. 6 different clay masks with different shades, different scents. Couple of names here, listen to this. Mud Be Love Clay Face Mask. Avo Happy Holidays Face Mask. Like have a happy.
We got it. Thank you.
You didn't. And then last, Always Berry FaceTime.
Always.
I'm sorry. Excuse me. Always Berry Festive. Did I say FaceTime?
What are you
Always
doing later?
Berry
FaceTime.
Festive. I was thinking about FaceTiming somebody. These are also great. $10 for 6.
For all of them?
Yes. So buy the thing and then split them up in other people's stockings.
But one at a time. You're such a genius.
Target.com. Isn't that? No, but and for men, women, everybody.
Everybody needs skincare. Thank you.
These look great, by the
Josh
way.
McBride, everybody, thank you for these wonderful stocking
Santa.
stuff ideas. And if you missed any of them, remember, scan the QR code right on your screen or head to pix11.com and click on the Pix Partners tab.
My hands are frozen. I'm a corpse. Don't forget to follow Josh at Joshy McB for his gift giveaway. The toaster. I know.
We did the toaster yesterday, but today we have wine glasses that are really adorable and a cheese grater.
Hello.
But you gotta follow to win.
Amazing. Joshy, thank you. We love you. Listen.